came into World Market because I wanted to look for some new mugs. I saw some cute spring ones and I want to come look and see what they have. All the Easter sale stuff. So they have some carrot ones and bunnies. Oh my gosh. This crochet mushroom is so cute. I have one of these mugs in yellow and it's the perfect teacup because it's got the red part is a top, and so you just steep your tea and then take the top off, and then it's hollow so you can put the tea bag in the bottom. I love it. Oh, this one's adorable. An actual little tea flower cup. $9.99. Not too bad. It's like the ones I was looking for at TJ Maxx, but they have some here too. I'm gonna set a timer for like 5 minutes and I'm gonna quickly browse the rest of the store. They have a bunch of the icon dupes. Oh my god. This one is so adorable. It's a gumball machine. That's so cute and kitschy. I think this one's a pickle. We love a pickle. Love the daisies, an apple. Oh, this one's nice. I like the scallop and it's a little shell with a pearl. I have this little flower one and I feel like a fairy every time I use it. There's so many good ones right now. Oh my gosh, this dinosaur one is cool. Oh, this snail one's cute. Okay, but this, I'm obsessed. It's very heavy, like a very thick glass bottom. These are gorgeous. Now these are the ones I'm really torn between. So the frog, very, very me, very cute. I also really love the rubber ducky. We're a big duck family because Oren's favorite toy is a duck and we call it Pip. And then the classic mushroom, which I really like the mushroom, but I think I have the courage to put that one back because I feel like I have a bunch of other mushroom stuff, but I'm still torn between the duck and the frog. Ugh, I can't decide. So if you're watching this and I get one for Mother's Day, the other one might be a good idea. I kind of think I'm gonna do the frog. So the duck is still on my radar. Now we gotta choose which one. I like how they're kind of like irregular. Leaning towards this one right now. For reference, I was just sitting on the ground right there and people just kept like walking by and I'm just sitting on the ground talking to the shelf, looking at mugs. We are on the way to a farm right now. It's called Hall and Stone and it's in Garner, and I've never been there, but I do know that they have, I think it's Australian or New Zealand style like soft serve with like fresh fruit in it. I don't know, but I know that there's also like, it's either llamas or alpacas. I can never remember what's what. Anyways, you're gonna have to see because clearly I don't really know what I'm talking about, but it's gonna be outside. I brought sunscreen. It's a pretty nice day, not too hot, and I'm excited. Let's go. I'm sorry? It's calling my name, and it's really loudly calling my name. This place is so cool. There's so many like homemade goods, and all the ice cream is delicious and it feels lovely, and there's fans and everything's adorable, and I want it all. It's so good. I realized that it would be really fun to open my Sunny Angel on camera because I've been saving it, and for what, I don't know, but I feel like it would be really fun for us to do a little opening. So this is the Sunny Angel Strawberry Love series. Genuinely, they're all cute because they're strawberry, but I feel like this little monkey one, I really like this little monkey. But I like the one with the pants too, and I've never gotten a Robbie, so obviously we're interested in that too. So let's open it and see. I'm very excited, and I'm the kind of person who like will just save blind boxes because I just want to save it for like just the right time, and I feel like this is the right time right now because I just really want to open it finally. I really want the monkey. Here we go. Oh, what's this one? Oh, I got the one with the pants on. I love the ones with pants on because I hate that they're naked all the time. Oh, this one's really cute. I like it. It's not the monkey, but it's the second one I said I wanted, right? Yeah, it's the second one I wanted. Wait, no, it's not. I don't know, but I still like it. It's cute. I think all of them are very, very cute from this collection. Yeah, I'm glad we opened it on camera, and I really like it. And unfortunately, this is just reminding me that I wish I'd gotten the whole collection, or at least just like 2 more. But I think that's just as it goes with blind boxes. It's just kind of like tattoos, and like you just want more and you just want to collect them. getting smoothies after the park. It's from the Bomb Bar. Ready for your smoothie? It's got blueberries in it. Look at this tiny cup. Smoothie! So excited for your smoothie. Lauren's got his very own cup. There you go. Do you want to do a cheers? Cheers! I wasn't even supposed to be going into a thrift store, as I almost never am. I was going to a different town to go to this new plant store that I've been wanting to check out, and it said they were open online but they were closed. So basically I made this trip to a town I don't live super close to, and so I was like, okay, well, let me open up the map and see if there's like a Goodwill or something that can make this trip worth it. Well, this Goodwill delivered. I didn't get a ton of stuff, and honestly that's better because I feel like I should not be bringing in big hauls of stuff. There was some great vintage items and just cool items in general. So my cousin just had a baby girl, and I love thrifting for her because I feel like girl stuff is so much easier to find. I found this adorable little dress, and it's got the like little scalloped shoulders and little lace details. So cute. And then I found a pink Juicy Couture sweatshirt, and it's so soft. It feels like it's never been worn, and I always wanted one of those when they were super popular back in the early 2000s, and I never had one. I wish I had found the matching pants, but they weren't there. So I got that, and I think that would be really cute for this concert I'm going to this summer. So I love that. And then this gorgeous little, it's like a mid-length, it feels like actual vintage. It's like a paisley skirt, and it's like silk lined, and it's just really cute, and I feel like I could make a really cute outfit with that. And I'm wearing my Bumblebee sweater, which is like my favorite thrift find of all time almost, besides my Princess TV. And I really want to find more of these sweaters, so that's like my main goal. Every time I'm thrifting, I want more of these like grandma embroidered sweaters. And I looked for a long time because I really felt like I was gonna find something there, because they had a bunch of like plus size vintage stuff, but I didn't find it, and that's okay. Oh, I also found a desk. I have been wanting a bigger desk because mine is like, it's small and it's so old, and I need to DIY it, but I haven't been wanting to DIY it because, like, repaint it, because I felt like why put more time into it when I'm gonna just find something hopefully one day. And I did, and I got it. It was on originally $40 and I found it on sale for $25. So I have to come back here in the next 3 days and figure out how to get it in my car. That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that, and I do need to repaint it and do some cleaning and little DIY to it, so that's gonna be fun to share here. A good thrift haul. I refreshed my hair, obviously. It is so pink, but not only did I refresh it, but I did a surprise rainbow. Let's see. I don't know, I hope you can see it well, but I'm obsessed. I really like it. I like that the pink now has some contrast, and I did accidentally do more yellow than any other color, but that's okay because I love yellow. And I like the yellow and pink together. I just really like it. Like freshly cut grass. This word, banoffee, gets so stuck in my head. It's one of my repeat stem words. Banoffee. Ooh, it kind of smells good. Okay, but here's the question. Do you think that they refill the ice every day, or that the ice stays there? So do they get shipments of ice every day?
No. It smells okay. Let me give them my apron. It smells okay. It's not bad, but it's weird.
I mean, it definitely smells like more, like it smells different when it gets in your hair.
Oh, like it's soaking into it?
Yeah. Okay, now it does smell good.
That's interesting.
Okay, I'm about to get so real with y'all. This is the current state of my freaking desk. It is a mess. I'm such a hobby collector and craft supply collector, and having a kid made it so much worse because now I'm just like saving trash to make little crafts. So enjoy this little montage of me getting my shit together and getting my crafts and my desk organized because it's as satisfying as it looks.